Earth is flat.
Yeah.
It's proven that the surface of the sea is not a perfect curve.
It's not. How would it not be a perfect curve?
It's not a perfect curve because the
currents and stuff.
The gravity is not everywhere.
No, it's not.
The sea is following somehow the curve of the. But the ground is not curved. It's like
it's
could be
flat.
a hill, it could be a mountain, and it's not flat. So the sea is also following that curvature, which the ground has something which is which I guess is measurable. And it's wrong to think that the sea is following a perfect sphere.
So what if I showed you some evidence that it says the sea floor is relatively flat as well?
It is curved.
It's called abyssal plains. So a majority of the oceans are abyssal plains, and they're supposed to be completely flat. And you're saying that the water follows the what the ground level is, right?
Yeah.
But abyssal plains are completely flat.
It's not perfectly flat, of course.
Not perfectly flat, but they're relatively. And I don't think.
I mean, there are some falls, some
topography,
canyons, some
topography, and that's why when you hear somebody say the world is flat, it's like an oxymoron, because when you think of the world, you think of a sphere. Every movie you've ever seen. Picture of a globe, you know, when you're in school, the first thing I think you learn is the Earth is round, right? But abyssal plains, they're relatively, they're relatively flat. And if you look at the topography of underground, everything, the canyons, everything still levels off. Right? The only thing that doesn't level off, we're told, is the water. The seafloor of the world. It shows you that abyssal plains are relatively flat for over thousands of miles, so it would have to make up for that somewhere else.